this one out. Just came into us here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Convertible. A very nice stock looking car. Lots of chrome bright work. Red highlights up front here. All stand out. The 46s with those marker lights. Very, very cool Ford. Still powered by a flathead underneath. The hood paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that's on the column. Runs very smooth. This is a nice driver. Get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up so you can hear that flathead fire up and how smooth it runs. You can check out the underside, also very, very nice on this car. Check out the underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to inquire about it, have any questions after looking at the pictures in the video, feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726, where you can reach us at. We also can assist with transportation if you would like to know what it would take to get this car to your location. Check out the interior, also very stock looking dash interior. FYI, over there on the driver's side, that is the shadow from the steering wheel. There's not a mark in that seat or anything. Very nice interior, and this is kind of from the shade, just the way the lighting is. It's not stained or anything like that. Nice convertible boot. Trunk on this car is very, very tidy. So like I said, check out those pictures. You can see that trunk and how tight it is. Spare tire back there. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the bright work. Bright work's in very nice shape on this. We called these the bumperettes, or the bumper guards bumperettes. Got the extension on the bumper. That was on the front also, if you notice that. This car came to us, was previously titled in North Dakota. It is a very nice solid car. Check out the fender skirts. See how straight it is too, up and down. This has got a nice lines to it. Out here, check out the driver's side. See the door cards. Interior all appears to be what you'd expect out of a stock 46 Ford. Let's go ahead and fire this up and hear it run. Help if I turn the switch on, starts a little easier. Here's the oil pressure gauge works. Temp gauge moved, amps did. Not sure on the fuel gauge if it's low, but that one didn't move a whole lot. Messed with the radio a little earlier, that did not work. Give you an idea what works in here and what doesn't. This does also have a power top. Power top switch is here. Power top functions perfectly up and down. So you can check out those still pictures. You want to see the top up also. Check out the still pictures of the top up. uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726. I'm going to pause the video here a second. We'll pop that hood so you can see the engine bay and check out this car running. Alright, got the hood popped open so you can check out this engine bay, nice and tidy. There's that stock flatty in there. See how smooth it runs. Also, hear how smooth it runs. There you go, 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Convertible. Very stock, nice driver. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or once again, uniqueclassiccars.com.